Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. I'm making this video today so we can check out a new tool together that I got for Christmas. This is the Pittsburgh corner clamp. Comes from Harbor Freight, and it just so happens that we are building some drawers right now, so it'd be a good time to test this out and see what it'll do. Well, there it is. Pretty straightforward. Has quick release buttons. Got some instructions and stuff, and that's about all there is to it. We'll put it to the test. Well, there you have it, a demonstration of the Pittsburgh corner clamp from Harbor Freight. It helped me put this drawer together in just a couple of minutes, and you can see there's also holes on here where you can bolt it down to the table if you want to. I'm sure there's about 1,000 uses you could find for this. If you stop by your local Harbor Freight, you can pick one of these up. And they're not a sponsor, by the way. I know we talk about their tools all the time, but they do not sponsor us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our content. Till next time, happy woodworking.